wonderful, wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pit-a-pat. Watching Felix, the wonderful cat.
That Felix, I almost had him. But I'll get him yet. Him in his magic bag. Bah! Oh, huh? Oh, now what? Oh, I can imagine what's going on here at all. Now let me see. What does it say here? Felix on a raft. Way out. Signed, Secret Agent XX. Oh, well, now I wonder what that's all about. On a raft, huh? Starving. This is a job for the shark. And if he fails, Blubberino, the whale. That ought to do it. Oh, no, it couldn't be any worse than that.
Hey, what am I laughing about? That's the last notch. I'll starve. Yum, yum. I'm so hungry I could eat a... I wonder what this tastes like. Tough. Oh, boy! Food! Let me go!
Okay, cut him up.
A guy could get killed this way. Oh! That takes the edge off of him. Uh-oh! Blubberino!
Mr. Felix, you're here at last. Know who I am? Listen, King Neptune is the name. I'm the guy who wins the game. Anything my heart desires, I take. My line is smooth as silk, for I always drink my milk, and I never give a chump an even break.
Hey, what's with this guy?
This is the first time you cross the equator?
I didn't cross anything.
No, so we celebrate. Let me take your bag.
No, never.
Okay, music, fiddler. Shall we dance? you dance divinely. There!
Nobody ever gets out of Davy Jones' locker alive.
You! The professor! I gotta get out of here. Getting in was easy, but how do I get out? One way. Use no hooks. Stop. Dead end. Pressure chamber. I wonder what's in it.